Hello there. Welcome to another daily dose of aviation. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start. This rescue helicopter had the bad luck to hit some power lines, and shock passengers and some pilots. But happily, no one was severely injured. This big plane crashed into this building that was filmed for the movie called Tenet.
Dude, that thing's moving so fast. Oh my god. Oh! It's not stopping. Oh my god.
Oh.
Dude, that is badass.
Holy moly.
Dude, it hit all the truss and everything.
Crashing a real plane was cheaper to do the same thing, but with addition that is more expensive, so that's why they did that. This helicopter was about to land when a big flying object entered in the way to the helicopter, making the pilot to do a maneuver that saved the flight from a catastrophe.
एकदम से लगा तो हाँ वो कपड़ा उड़ के लगा ना
This plane was landing when it started to bounce, causing a prop strike.
Line that baby up. Nice. Oh wow. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Oh no, pull back.
Hey you, before I show you the last clip, I'm remembering you to like, subscribe and share the video if you want more videos like this. Thank you. This is a real reverse thrust mechanism in action. And that's all the video. All the sources will be in the description. I upload videos every day if I can. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on, if you are new in this channel and to don't miss more videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.